Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Dan Mehta, and I'm back with market update. Lately, you may have heard that the real estate market is going crazy and bananas. Uh, and for an average buyer or seller or homeowner or even renter, not they don't know what's going on in the market. So, as a realtor, this is what I want to share with you as to what's going on in the market. If you look at on my screen, on my left, you will see the report for the month of May, which is as up to date until yesterday. Yesterday was May 24th. So this data is still going to change by end of this month because we are still in May. And on my right, you will see the report for the month of April. What I want to show you is if you look at the number of sold properties. So last month we sold 230 properties. By the way, this report is for detached homes in Mississauga, not semi-detached, not townhouse, actual detached homes in Mississauga for all areas combined. So last month we sold 230 properties, where this month to date we sold 159 properties. We had 508 new listings this month versus last month we had 553 listings. Interesting. Our average sales price last month was 1.8 million, which was 18% more than the year before. The month before, 18.27%. Versus this month, we are only average sales price is 1.7 million. Why is that happening? Because of the increase in interest rate, you are noticing that the prices are stabilizing. Before, until end of March, when seller will put a listing on the market, they were expected to receive at least double-digit offers on a good properties. Not saying that it's not happening today. It is still seller's market. As you can see, the number of listings are still low, 16% low than before. So it's still a seller's market. However, now sellers' expectations are leveling off, as well as they are not seeing the double-digit multiple offers. The good properties are still receiving offers, multiple offers, but not as many as we used to see till March. So it's a good news for buyers. Average asking price. So for this month, the average asking price for detached homes in Mississauga is about 1.85 million, which is 20% more than what it used to be, or the month before. For last month, the average asking price was 1.82 million, which is again 13% more than the month before. Average days on market. So this is another interesting factor. Average days on market right now is about 10 days. Why is that so? Because properties are sitting on the market for a little bit longer. Before, it used to sell in 9 days. Now it's 10 days, and this probably will continue to go up as the interest rate are expected to rise. Average ask to sell ratio last month was 1.054%. This month is 1.030%. Again, what does this mean? Sellers are selling property close or a little bit above the list price. So it's a great thing for buyers. So if you've been buyers sitting on a fence for a while, this is your opportunity to jump in the market, especially in Mississauga detached market. If you're looking to upgrade your home from where you are today to upgrade to the bigger house, this is your opportunity. Why? Because sellers are accepting offers at a list price or slightly above list price, depending on the property, if there is a premium. Which compared to last month, it's down by 2.54%. And year over year, so since 2019 to 2022, if you look at the monthly sales price increase, this is the chart. From 2019 to 2022, the prices have steadily grown. You can see peak and valleys. That's correction. It happens all the time. But as long as a buyer, if you're planning to hold on to your property for at least 5 to 10 years, you can ride the wave out easily, no problem. And if you see the last month, the year over year monthly sales price have gone up to it was 1.8 million average price, and this month is 1.7 million, as we said before. So having said that, where we are heading into a balanced market, if not buyer's market. And this is a great news for buyers and sellers, because those tire kicker buyers who have been just browsing around and not really serious, the market will push them out because interest rates are going up. And sellers, if you're looking to sell, this is a good time too. Why? Because most of the buyers who are in the market are very serious to get into the market. So it's a great time to either buyers to get into the market, or sellers who are serious and wants to sell the property. Still, it's a seller's market. There is still less inventory than what we anticipated, and this is your opportunity to get into the market and list your property with the right agent. If you need any help with decoding the market condition, I would love to talk to you. Feel free to reach out to me and we can book a time to have a coffee, and you can see my contact information here. 647-955-6119. You can call me, text me, or you can send me an email to dan@danmeta.ca, and would love to chat with you and grab a coffee. If you have any questions, also you can leave the comments below. Cheers, guys.